Hey guys, following up on the last video where we went over the pH and the Vedic timing on the Euro chart from one of our users, I want to take a look at the same time period on the ES from Monday and Tuesday. So we had this overnight high in the red block with the yellow on top on pH 1 and 2. That gave us a trend move down to the next red-yellow pair right here. The two vertical lines connected by the red trend line. That gives us that trend move. So what we want to do is look for that red-yellow to repeat going forward. One thing to mention here, at the close of the session yesterday, the program doesn't plot between 5 and 6 o'clock or 1700 and 1800 hours. If it did, you would have seen the yellow block on top the red pH 2, which was right here where the low is at the end of the session. Then prior to that, after midnight last night, about 12:45, we made the overnight high, or I'm sorry, in the afternoon yesterday, made the day high at about 12:45 on light blue and yellow, and that gave a trend move down into the evening, which bottomed out here where the pattern repeated light blue yellow at 20:33. Two vertical lines, again connected by the red trend line. Looking for the next pairs for that to follow up on, we get the red yellow right here. It's just a minor high, only dropped a couple points. The next light blue and yellow gives us this nice low here, setting up a good early morning trade that ran right up to the next yellow pH 1. Oftentimes you'll get a short-term trend move that'll go between the same color bar on the pH 1, especially when they start off of a pattern match like this particular one. Looking forward from there then, this morning, 6:10 a.m., we had the red-yellow repeat, gave a low for a nice long trade right here. And then the next light blue and yellow pattern repeated right here, just got a little bounce there. So we're just really a scratch trade there. So you're going to get a lot of good trades off of this. You might get a couple of small bumps where you're going to have a scratch trade for just plus or minus a few ticks or a point or two. But you're also going to catch a lot of really good moves off of this. And if you train yourself to pay attention to these pattern repeats, you can get a lot of good trades off of this. One other point to look at is the purple-yellow coming up then at about 10:13 and the important end of the segment time at 10:30. So those would be the next 2 points to be looking for trade to execute.